Meaning of hiss.
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 Hiss. The word hiss is typically used to describe a sharp, sibilant sound made by a person or animal. It can indicate disapproval, fear, or anger. The sound is usually produced by forcing air through a small opening. In nature, snakes are particularly known for producing hissing sounds as a defensive mechanism. In human communication, hissing can be used as a form of nonverbal communication, often conveying negative emotions. The sound of hissing can not only be heard but can also be felt as a sensation of prickling or tingling in the skin.